In this video, we're going to be giving you a brief introduction to the general interface and some of its features. Now, I just want to start off by pointing out these tabs on each of the four corners. And I'm going to start off with the one in the bottom left-hand corner, known as our info view. Now, the info view is a great feature for getting to know Ableton and all its features. So as you can see, as I hover over a different area of the interface with my cursor, the info view then tells us exactly what it is and gives a great description. Definitely highly recommend having that open, guys, because it really is a great way of getting to know Ableton. Now, up in the top left corner here, I'm just clicking the tab to open and close our menu, which is a menu of sounds, audio effects, or external plugins. On the top right hand corner here, these two tabs switch between our arrangement view and our session view. In the bottom right hand corner here, this tab opens and closes currently our channel strip, but also alternatively could be our piano roll or our edit screen. Now I just want to come up to here to the top left corner to point out the tempo control. And to change that, you just click and drag up or down, or you can double click on it and type in the speed that you want. I just want to point out our metronome. So if I click that there and come over to the play, stop and record buttons and press that, you can see now the metronome's active, which we can also customize by using the drop down menu. Now, I just want to come over to our arrangement screen because I want to point out the cycle. Now, your cycle is, in other words, a loop. And in the ways of setting where it is on your grid, you can highlight in the middle or click in the middle of the bar. And again, you can move its location. Now, also on either end, you can change the length of it by hovering, getting that little bracket symbol, and then adjusting to preference. Now, to actually activate our cycle, we need to come up to here and just click on that little cycle icon. And as you can see now, the playhead is resolving back to the start of the cycle every time it hits the end. Over here, I just want to point out the mute and solo functions. If you're not too familiar with what those are, I'm sure it will come clear as the videos go on. And I just want to point out as well, if you want to solo multiple channels at once, then you need to hold Command using Mac or Control using PC. Now, I'd like to also point out, guys, before we finish this video, that if you right click anywhere on the Ableton screen, most of the time you're going to be presented with a menu, and alongside every menu down the right hand side is a shortcut or key command, which I would encourage to get to know, as this will really help to increase your workflow. Now on to the next video, where we're going to construct a basic beat.